Basically, we are talking about the improvement of environmental standards and safety standards. Currently, market surveillance is in the hands of member states, and we are going really to change the system in order to apply the same rules in every EU country.
That's how Stefanec, the European Parliament shadow rapporteur and the EPP Group spokesperson on market surveillance, explained the new legislation designed to improve motor vehicle standards across Europe. MEPs in the Internal Market Committee voted to approve a European Parliament report on the Commission proposal by a big majority of 33 in favour and just 4 against. That bodes well for a European Parliament plenary vote, hopefully sometime in 2017. A key aim of the legislation is for the EU and national authorities to be able to monitor the car manufacturing market better and, where there are cases of fraud, take action such as imposing fines.
This current system doesn't work. We really need to improve it. We have to implement the system which is more efficient and which is really trusted by our citizens. We all want to drive clean and safe cars.
Under current legislation, national authorities have to run different safety and emissions tests on different models of vehicles before allowing manufacturers to place these vehicles on the market. This is called type approval, and there are detailed rules for this process. The legislative proposal includes stricter supervision of emissions tests and more stringent obligations on EU member states to check that vehicles already on the road meet all EU safety, environmental and production requirements. Mr. Stefanec explained the kinds of improvements that are envisaged in the legislative proposal.
Current market surveillance is in the hands of member states, and every member state applies these rules, unfortunately, differently. We are going to change it. As of now, all rules will be implemented in the same way in every state. At the same time, European Commission will get more power and will be able to act independently if there are some wrongdoings which are discovered.
In 2015, the big German car manufacturer Volkswagen was found to be rigging emissions test results for its cars using defeat device software. The US authorities imposed fines. VW has recalled some, but not all, models of cars to fix the software problem. Many consumers across the EU have either launched legal action or are considering it.
I am confident that this legislation will be substantially improving current system and can prevent any similar scandal like was, for example, Volkswagen scandal in the future.
Stricter testing procedures to ensure that cars are safer and less polluting. That's what the EU is looking to achieve by approving legislation sometime in 2017. Find out more about the activities of the largest political force in the European Parliament by checking out eppgroup.eu. Thanks for watching and see you next time.